Halo, assalamualaikum, selamat datang. Apa kabar semua hari ini? Sekarang di Indonesia. Aku teman-teman, alhamdulillah aku juga baik. Hari ini di Bangladesh, guys. Aku selalu aku reaksi video konten Indonesia, guys. Hari-hari selalu aku reaksi. So guys, if you are new, baru di channel aku, please subscribe channel aku, menonton video saya aku reaksi video Indonesia, guys. So guys, let's get started. Today I'm going to make Indonesian Tana Yar, a paradise for birds. Tana Yar, Papua, paradise for birds. Very nice views, guys. So like this. Started already. Papua, Tana Papua, a paradise for birds. Wow, with natural views, guys. Birds, the traveler.
Kami sudah di hutan kita. Kenapa kita mau datang seperti
Papua, the
ini
state
supaya
in Papua, all
kalian
of
tahu ke depan kita.
Negro people, African people lives there. See how beautiful. Guys, I never seen like that bird. Wow, Papua, a paradise place. Wow. Wow.
Indonesia's land of Papua, Tanah
Indonesia's land of Papua.
consisting
West
of two
Papua,
provinces.
Papua.
Papua supports
Wow.
one of the only
Very
remaining
nice
large
place,
tropical
Papua. Also,
forests in the world.
land of Indonesia.
With the Amazon and Congo basins, these forests serve as the lungs of the planet. And in Papua, they are the lifeblood of the people.
Dan yang terutama yang membuat saya sangat terkesan itu karena hutan di Papua itu memberi banyak kehidupan untuk masyarakat di Papua. Jadi sumber kehidupan mereka tuh sebetulnya di hutan.
Papua's geography contains a variety of ecosystems: coasts, mangroves, forests, and mountains that supports roughly half of Indonesia's biodiversity. Over 600 species of birds are found in Papua, including the birds of
Really,
paradise,
it's a
many
paradise
of
for
which
birds.
live nowhere else on Earth.
Dan untuk saya di Papua, apalagi di Cendrawasih itu sangat luar biasa, sangat unik, sangat cantik, nggak bisa dilupakan.
The birds of paradise are icons of Papua's biodiversity.
Really,
Their
it look like
unparalleled
paradise,
beauty
man.
has made them a symbol
Wow.
of international renown.
Wow, how beautiful birds there are. Too many beautiful and uncommon birds there. Papua, paradise land for Indonesia.
Kita jalan pagi dengan suara kita Sekarang pasti aku suaranya ketemu sana.
Global interest in Papua's bird life is leading to increased opportunity for wildlife tourism, bringing newfound economic benefits to local communities.
Burung-burung yang seperti kakak tua raja, kakak tua putih, rangkong, makan ikan yang ada main di sini, main di tanah. Kita jalan lagi ketemu ini parotia, oh ini tempatnya main parotia. Burungnya tidak akan banyak khususnya malam untuk Papua Brokma.
Wow, excellent, awesome bars, guys. There are too many bars.
Banyak seruke ini, tanya noso, kayak namanya memang cuma wencap cuma ada nene bisa punya tumi dia aja, punya tuh cerita dia aja, punya tuh dong tuh no, punyanya dong tuh no kayak aja.
But these forests are no longer isolated from the rest of the world. The demand for timber, palm oil, minerals,
How
and gas
beautiful
has
places,
arisen.
natural views.
The future
Wow,
existence
look
of
like
Papua's
amazing,
resources
guys.
and biodiversity, and the communities that rely on it, depend
I have to
on
move
the
there
choices
and
made
to hang
today.
out and watch these beautiful bars.
The governments of
Wow,
Papua and West
see
Papua
how
are
beautiful
bringing
place
together
is Papua.
non-government, community, academic, and religious partners to create a sustainable pathway for development.
Adik-adik yang kecil bilang, jangan potong ini, jangan tebang kayu itu karena guna untuk burung untuk bawa uang.
There are plenty of examples of ecosystems destroyed by overexploitation. With its forests still intact, Papua has the opportunity to develop in a way that allows both its people and its environment to thrive.
Keindahan yang di Raja Ampat khususnya di Sampurgren itu sangat indah sekali.
Recent successes in the marine environments of the Raja Ampat region of West Papua show that development and conservation can go
Wow,
hand in hand.
beautiful place, Papua.
Within
See
the
guys,
forests,
wow.
local leaders are
There are lots
organizing
of
their
trees
communities
in the
with
forest.
similar goals.
And
Jadi yang
wow, how beautiful bar.
ada 3 hal yang lebih penting untuk kita. 1, hutan. 2,
All bars are uncommon. I've never seen like that bars, guys.
3.
This is the first time I was watching like that bars
Yang
of
penting kita
Papua.
jaga burung
Papuan
baik-baik.
people look like
Mereka lihat ya
African.
uang itu langsung. Ini mereka kasih di ini kita punya kampung.
The forests, the birds, and the communities make this region unique and irreplaceable.
This is the most
Kalau hutan di Papua harus
attraction for the tourist
masyarakat di
place
Papua
for
itu
the
sudah tidak punya
traveler.
apa-apa lagi. Jadi kehidupan mereka
For
dan
journey,
harta mereka itu adalah di
a
hutan.
very favorite place.
As the lungs of the planet, tropical forests are an important buffer against our changing climate. If Papua's ecosystems are degraded, the effects will be felt not just locally, but across the world.
Arfa gini berguna sekali untuk masa depan.
Through collaborative leadership, achieving sustainable growth, maintaining the livelihood of local communities, and protecting globally significant
Wow.
biodiversity are possible for Tana Papua and all of humanity.
Alam Papua sangat-sangat indah. Jadi saya minta kepada masyarakat Papua umumnya, mari kita jaga negeri kita yang indah ini. Sehingga ke depan anak cucu kita akan menikmati apa yang kita rasakan hari ini dan seterusnya. Mari kita mendukung konservasi yang ada di Papua umumnya.
Guys, really Papua, very beautiful place, look like heaven, look like paradise. It's a bird's paradise of Indonesia. Papua, a land of Indonesia. This is maybe a little bit far from Indonesia. It's also an island with lots of mountain. There are mountain with decorated with lots of beautiful trees, long trees and common trees. The trees also I never seen in Bangladesh. At Papua have very old trees in the mountain and birds. Oh my God, there are lots of trees, mountain. That's a birds also. This is the natural beauty. Wow, I love that. I love that natural beauty, guys. There are birds. I never seen like that bird in my life. Wow, all birds are so beautiful, excellent. Wow, awesome birds like that. My God, so beautiful place in Papua. There are lots of birds, and birds are calling, bird sound. What nice! It's to like dreamy. How heaven look like, how Papua is very beautiful place. All over the world, traveler, you can travel this place. Papua look like heaven, look like wow. Everybody can enjoy this your life at Papua, to enjoy the forests and trees, mountain, and then birds. There are so beautiful tourist places. Wow, hotel, restaurant, everything. You can rent a bike, buy a motorbike or bike or car. Wow, beautiful place, awesome. Everybody can travel this place, can visit this. Inshallah, in future also move there and also travel this place, guys. So guys, everybody please subscribe my channel to enjoy all of Indonesian related videos. I try to upload all kinds of Indonesian related videos. If you subscribe my channel, you can enjoy all kinds of Indonesian. So guys, no more today's in this video. Bye bye.